Double kill because I'm fucking sick.
This fucking sniper's a bitch.
Get that guardian.
Ready to deploy.
Use it. Ah.
Guys behind the white truck. I need cover. I need cover. Santiago on the roof. Santiago on the roof. One down. I'm being shot. Velocity. I need cover. They're gonna climb up this box of security. No, they threw a grenade at me. Threw it back. Oh my gosh, they're throwing semtexes at me. Oh, you guys saved my life. The balcony.
Shit.
They're coming from the
He
balcony.
EMP'd everything. He EMP'd everything.
Oh, Velocity! Velocity, get down, Velocity! Oh my gosh, Velocity, you're lucky. I want a Dowser. Velocity almost got here. Boom. Trophy system.
Yeah,
Boom.
you guys can get your trophy system up there. I think I already got destroyed. Oh, they hacked their trophy system, man.
Coming in! Cover me! Ah, what's gonna look?
Dang, my sentry and my guardians are up there.
Look how set up upstairs is.
Oh my
They're gonna hack you guys.
Goddamn son of a bitch! I'll kill you, you scumbag jerk-off assholes!
Jesus. Got shot through the wall. They're shooting through the balcony. It's a constant wave. From over here, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like little thingies on the ground.
What's up, you guys? My name is Louis Calvo. Welcome to this new series called Extreme Campers.
This room is unlocked, man.
Now I got it. Here we go. Maybe not.
Is this how we win games now? We cheat? We cheat?
Orbital.
Orbital VSAT awaiting orders.
Whoa.
I feel sorry for these guys.
Guardian ready for deployment.
There's a car in your face. I have an MMS scanner. I can see all them camping outside. Like, I haven't...
Sentry gun ready to deploy.
3 more kills and it's game. 3 more kills, 2 more and it's game. 2 more.
Last one.
One more.
Get one in the
You guys
yarble!
suck.
If you have any yarbles, you unit jelly that!
What wins games? Defense wins games!
You guys think you're hard because you can camp in a
Defense! Defense! Defense!
Oh, funny.
Let him in! Let him in! Let him in! Let him in!
This is what happens. This is what happens. You wanna go out. Show off.